Pradesh, and just days after the stampede had rocked, after which the UP government has also brought in new measures ensuring the safety and the security of all the devotees. As of today of the 8 a.m., over 41.90 lakh devotees have taken a holy dip in the Mahakumbh Mela. And as many as 33.61 crore devotees have taken a holy dip till the 1st of February. These numbers are huge, even as bigger than even the population of few countries, giving out a sense of how spiritual and how mega this entire spiritual gathering is. These are the latest details and the numbers that we are tracking from the Uttar Pradesh government data. The Mahakumbh Mela is one of the largest spiritual gatherings in the world, held every 12 years. The Mahakumbh, which takes place once every 144 years at Prayagraj, is considered the most auspicious and the grandest of all the Kumbh Melas. Many also believe to have been in fact washing off their sins by taking the holy dip and marking the year at an auspicious start. My colleague Arzu Seth is there with me on the broadcast, coming straight from Mahakumbh in Prayagraj. Arzu, very good morning. And in fact, the numbers that we are getting of the devotees taking a holy dip and offering their prayers, being spiritual at the congregation in Prayagraj are huge. The arrangements have been intensified days after the stampede. What can you show us in the colors that you are bringing to us from Prayagraj?
Well, Simran, yes, these number indicates a massive turnout for the Mahakumbh Mela. And also, earlier also we saw, in single day, crores of people took a holy dip in the Triveni Sangam. And also, if we talk about today's data, until now in the morning, there are over, 10 lakh Kalpvasis who are there in the Mahakumbh Mela, who are doing their Kalpvas. The Kalpvas is a very, important activity that the people hold. They stay for 1 month in the Mahakumbh Mela and perform several rituals to purify their soul, to purify their body. And these are over 10 lakh. And also, if we talk about the pilgrims visited till now, more than 31 lakh pilgrims have visited the Mahakumbh. And total Ishnan, if we talk about till now, it's over 41 lakh. So it's a big number till now, and the data till the evening will be increasing. And also we talk about since the Mahakumbh has begun until now, means till 1st of February, more than 33 crores people have already took a holy bath, visited the Mahakumbh. Means the expectation that the government is having, like 400 million, or we can say 40 crore, is about to reach in a few days. So we can clearly see, if possible, this mark can also increase in the coming time, because there are still important dates that are left. And in the tomorrow also is the Basant Panchami, and a lot of people we have interacted in the evening also, and they are telling us that they are coming for the Basant Panchami, and on the 3rd they will be taking a holy dip in the Triveni Sangam in the holy river. So these numbers are massive, and they clearly indicates a massive turnout at the Mahakumbh. The excitement, the enthusiasm of the devotees also. Yes, Simran.
Well, all right, Arzu, I'll request you to kindly stay on with us on the broadcast, as we are also getting more updates. And in fact, in the latest which we are tracking from Mahakumbh, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has met with the Mahakumbh stampede injured victims in the hospital. He also inquired about their well-being from the doctors and directed the medical staff to provide them the best possible care. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath also communicated with the victims and checked on their recovery status, also assuring them of all the necessary government support. The stampede occurred earlier this week during the Mauni Amavasya, when a massive crowd arrived at the Triveni Sangam nose to take a holy dip. According to the officials, the sudden rush of the pilgrims at the Sangam led to the deadly stampede, resulting in at least 30 deaths and injuring 90 others. Arzu, as in fact we are tracking that Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister has conducted this very significant meeting with the victims of the stampede and the injured and those who have been receiving the treatment. It remains to be very concerning that the chilling details and the account of those who have suffered massive injuries and lost their loved ones in the stampede remain to in fact receive the treatment in the hospital. What is the latest that you are tracking in?
Well, yes, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath was in the Prayagraj yesterday when he took the stock of the preparations also for the Basant Panchami. He took an aerial view of the Prayagraj roads, those who are connecting to the Prayagraj, the roads which are connecting to the Prayagraj and also to the Mahakumbh. So he did an aerial survey. He also checked on the arrangement that is being done for the Basant Panchami. And as you also mentioned, it was a massive, unfortunate thing that happened during the Mahakumbh Mela, Mauni Amavasya's night when there was a stampede in the Mahakumbh. And after that also, that several steps has been taken by the Uttar Pradesh government, whether it's a cancellation of the VIP passes or, there is no allow of the vehicles in the Mahakumbh Mela. So after this, now when Chief Minister reached Prayagraj, he went to the injured people who are admitted in the hospital. He interacted with them and also directed the hospitals to give the every possible help and also the proper treatment. And also if we talk about earlier also, the announcement has been made whether it's private hospital or the government hospital, the treatment will be a free of cost. The the Uttar Pradesh government will bear all the cost of their treatment, those who got injured during the stampede like situation in the Mahakumbh. Also the allowances of the financial assistance also was also being given by the Uttar Pradesh government of 25 lakh to those who have lost their loved ones to their family members. So, these type of help is being given by the Uttar Pradesh government. But yes, this should not repeat in the coming future, or this any incident should not happen. So for that also, there are several preparations that the government and the administration is being made in the Mahakumbh Mela area. Whether we talk about the several pools are now being opened. Out of 30 pools, 20 pools are being opened. Also we talk about the VVIP passes are not being allowed, no vehicle zone is being implemented. Also the railway has prepared themselves for the Basant Panchami and for the upcoming important days, as the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister has also interacted with the railway minister and asked him for all the proper railway facilities. Also asked about these special trains. So continuously, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is keeping his eye on the preparations, arrangement, and directly involved to all those preparations. And yesterday, he went to the hospital where the injured was admitted, and there he met each and every one and also greeted them and interacted with them about their health, and now also directed the hospitals to provide good treatment to all those injured and also interacted with them about their health and how much recovered they are now from the incident, the day incident was happened. Yes, Simran.
Well, all right. In fact, Arzu, thank you very much for sharing the latest